In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Santander UK mobile online banking password. Whether you've forgotten your password or simply want to ensure your account's security by updating it, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process with ease. To start, you need to open the Santander mobile banking app on your smartphone, or if you prefer, navigate to the online banking login page using your web browser. Both platforms offer a straightforward way to reset your password. If you're using the app, be sure you have downloaded the latest version to ensure all features and security patches are up to date. Once you're at the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. It's typically located beneath the password entry field. Tap or click on that, and it will redirect you to initiate the password reset process. Next, Santander needs to verify your identity for security purposes. Here, you'll be required to enter some personal information. This generally includes your username or customer ID, your date of birth, and the last four digits of your account number or debit card. Make sure to enter these details accurately to avoid any delay in resetting your password. Now that your identity is verified, you may receive further instructions via SMS or email, or you may need to answer some security questions. Check your messages in a timely manner, as these instructions will guide you to the next steps. If you're answering security questions, try to recall the exact answers as they were set up previously. Once you clear the identity verification, you'll be prompted to create a new password. This is an important step, as it ensures the security of your banking information. When creating your password, aim for a strong combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. It should be something memorable to you, but difficult for others to guess. Avoid using common phrases or easily accessible personal information. Once you've entered and confirmed your new password, you'll be all set. Finally, go back to the login page and enter your username or customer ID along with the new password you've just created. If all goes well, you should gain access to your account without any hitches. At this point, take a moment to double check your account details and take note of any changes you might want to make while logged in. And that's it. Resetting your Santander mobile online banking password is a relatively quick and straightforward process, provided you follow these steps diligently. Remember, if ever in doubt, double check the instructions or reach out to Santander Service Support for further assistance to keep your banking experience secure and seamless.